What is happening, my favorite people of the planet, my kings and queens of the Take Boy Club is on here. You're welcome and thanks so much for clicking. I guess right now, know whenever we come together, we come to make adrenaline pump, get out of the closet just to make some noise. Yeah, we do it the fine way, just how you want it, okay? So, in today's video, we're going to be reacting to Diana Ankudinova once again. Yeah, we know she brings forth the positive energies all the time and smiles on our faces. She's so talented. When I tell you talented, she's super talented. The goddess of goosebumps, the goddess of nature. That's Diana Ankudinova, all the way from Russia, Moscow, Russia, St. Petersburg. This is your girl, so we've got to do this. We've got to get this started. Guys, if you know you can't stand the heat of this girl, you can't like stand the fire, because she's going to set us ablaze, set us on fire, guys. Fasten your seatbelts right now before we go listen to this one or watch this one together. Yeah, together, because we know she is a blast. Yeah, she never ceases to amaze us. She's like, she doesn't say, goodness, if you want me to fall, I'm not going to fall. I'm going to keep on rising. That voice is there. I don't know where she got it from. If they've got a place back there in Moscow or Russia where they give good voices, I don't know, because she can sing anything. She can be anything, and she does it so well. And we keep on loving this lady Diana Ankudinova, all the way from Russia. And on this one, it is, should I give you the title? I don't know who sang this song, the original one, Winter Storm. That is what it's titled. And you get the title, Winter Storm, and she's definitely gonna be a storm on this one. I've not heard it yet. I think she did this when she was 15. She's definitely 17 right now. Diana Ankudinova, the queen of goosebumps, the goddess of nature. She does it so well. Fasten your seatbelts while I go get this started. Okay, I'll share it. Winter storm, you see, like snow. Is that snow? Wait, I don't want to be shooting. I'm not shaking, I don't want to shake. She got the green light. She has never failed us. Are you getting that? Diana, she got another green light. She's so amazing. I like this move. Like pushing up with that energy. Did you get that? Woo! Wow. It's 2 minutes gone into this, and I'm just loving every bit of it. Did you get those vocals? Did you get the voice? It is just on point, on top. She's never gonna fall. The goddess of nature, the vocal queen. Like I would always say, Diana Ankudinova, all the way from Russia. Who isn't loving this? Okay, Winter Storm, and she is a storm on here. Let's ride on. Come on! Did you see that? Woo! Wow. She did that. she gets back like one stop and everything stands still. Oh, wow. That was amazing. She did this when she was 15, I guess. I guess I'm not wrong on that. Yeah, 15. She's 17 right now. And she keeps on climbing that ladder of success. She keeps on like giving us what we want. Like everything we want, just however we want it. If you ask for it, she's gonna do it just how you want it. Whatever song you want her to sing, definitely she's gonna do it so well. She's gonna add some special spices and condiments to it to make you feel it and level up. She like elevates whatever song she sings all the time. Diana Ankudinova, she's so unique. Yeah, she's a talented lady, a gift that you wouldn't want to miss if she were by you. Yeah, she wouldn't. You wouldn't. I'm saying like she wouldn't. You wouldn't want to miss her. Like anywhere she goes to sing, you want to be there to listen to her and watch her make these amazing moves on stage. Diana, that was great. I loved every bit of it, and I thought that was brilliant. It was quite amazing. Okay, guys, I think that's gonna be it for today. I'm going to send a chair from this part of the world, all the way from Africa. I've been like biting my tongue because Diana gave me some hate. You can see some sweat on my face, right? Diana gave me some hate, and I'm like, what? I wasn't expecting that at all. We know she does it so well that she keeps on like surprising us all the time with new ways of doing her singing, and she flows on it like a bomb. Okay, catch you from this part of the world. Yeah, catch you on another video. That's how we do it. That's how we rock and roll on here, bringing adrenaline. Yeah, making adrenaline pump, taking us out of our closet just to make some noise. If you're new on here, guys, don't forget to subscribe and the bell icon for post notifications. Catch you on some other video. Bye bye.